here. So you come and switch this one on. So when you switch it on, you can see it's rotating. So that's perfect. So that's how you can do it when you're using a gas oven. So you just need to make sure now that you light this area and the upper. What's up guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well. Welcome back to Petite Mama YouTube channel. If you're new here guys, my name is Eunice. I'm a mom and I'm also a wife. So before I start, I had done a video I think some few months before this day of how to use an electric cooker and how to bake using an electric cooker. And you guys, your response and feedback is awesome and amazing, and I appreciate that. If you haven't watched that video and you'd like to watch it, make sure to visit the description box. I'm gonna leave the link of the two videos. Make sure to go ahead and watch, and also please don't forget to give it a thumbs up or at least subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm currently at my friend's house. She has a Mika gas oven. So I'm gonna show you how to use it because I've used it to bake and I've also used it just to cook normal meals. So I'm gonna tell you also some major differences between a gas oven and an electric oven. So a gas oven is definitely cheaper. They range between 15,000 up to 20. But for electric cookers, you can get them from 25,000 to even 33,000. It actually depends with the brand. So another major difference is that I feel like gas cookers or gas ovens even rather, they take a shorter time to bake or even to roast something. And like for electric cookers, they take a very, very long time. So you want to make sure you know the different things. Another major difference is that for gas cookers, you get your whole 4 units that are gas that can light up as you cook. So that means an advantage is that as you cook, you can prepare 4 meals at once. But for electric cookers, most time we find that you have 3 gas cookers. So you can only use the 3 unless you want to put on your electric cooker, then you can use the 4 units, if you know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to demonstrate all that. So let's go ahead and start this video. So for most gas ovens, what you need is just the basic and obvious thing. You need a gas cylinder, and then you need this socket which is from the gas to come to this socket area, but this is not necessary, but you need it because mostly you can actually use a matchstick. So you can use a socket just to light using the spark or do. So guys, using a matchbox, this is just normal matchbox. So you need to light up your matchbox, and then you find that this is written gas, and you can easily see this arrow means this is the lower gas. So you just switch it on like that, and then the other one goes like that, and then you have this one for this side, and then you have this one for this side, and there you go, your 4 gases are well lit. So I hope this was easy to demonstrate. So now let's move down to the other areas as I show you the knobs. When you come to this area here, this is the spark. When you spark this like that, it releases gas, so you can light it with a match. You can light it. No, when it releases like that, that means you've connected it with the electric socket. So when it does that, it means you can go ahead and just spark the gas and it lights. But if you've not connected it with your socket, you can just use your matchstick. So that's number 1. So this and these ones are for the gas. This means the gas is being released from the upper area of the oven. That means this upper side over here. And then this one means gas is being released from this lower area of the oven. Then this one is definitely for your time, and this one is now for the, what do you call it, when you want to rotate your chicken in the oven. So let me show you how to use this. When you need to rotate your chicken in the oven using a gas oven, what you need to have is that you make sure you have connected that to the socket, and then you come here, and first of all you need to come here to the oven and make sure you have this what is it called, stick. So this one you connect it to that end, just need to connect it to that end, and then place it like this. I hope you can see that, guys. So after you've placed it like this, you have to make sure it inclines between these 2 areas. So when it's there, you can see your chicken now is in between here. So you come and switch this one on. So when you switch it on, you can see it's rotating. So that's perfect. So that's how you can do it when you're using a gas oven. So you just need to make sure now that you light this area and the upper area, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So for the lower area, you do the same. You light your matchstick, and then you just put it, insert it here, and the gas will go on. And then you can see the upper area is also lighting. So you can also reduce this heat by using this control area. So when I put like this, it's at my lowest, so you can see the heat has definitely reduced. So whatever you want to cook, you just put in your pan over here, and it's gonna cook so well. You can clearly see with all these knobs, you can perform the same functions with someone who has an electric cooker or oven. So now, guys, let me hope that information was helpful to you, and now you have the confidence to go ahead and purchase a gas oven or cooker, and you'll be able to use it. So let's talk more in the comment section, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Please remember to subscribe, or at least give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.